At the height of the Cold War, Ukraine found itself at the forefront of the nuclear arms race. Fearing attack from the West at any moment, the Soviet Union hid 176 secret missile silos somewhere deep in the Ukrainian countryside, each one loaded with a nuclear warhead that could take out a Western city at the touch of a button. When the Soviet Union collapsed, Ukraine agreed to denuclearize. So all their 176 secret missile silos were destroyed. Well, all except one. Craftily hidden in the middle of absolutely nowhere, Ukraine's last remaining nuclear missile base. There's lots of small stuff. And then there's this. So this is one of the actual silos from where the rockets would have been fired. It's something like 37 meters down there. And it was designed to fire one of these. This absolute monster of a rocket is the SS-18, nicknamed Satan. It can travel 11,200 kilometers, which meant it could hit anywhere in America. It carries the equivalent payload of 1,000 Hiroshimas. So where was it pointed at all those years? New York? Los Angeles? Swindon? To find that out, I'm going to need the help of the base commander-in-chief. Elena!
Hello.
How are you, Chris?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's go underground.
Oh, good. Good Lord. They didn't make nuclear missile chiefs like her in my day. Deep underground is the command bunker where the controls to the 10 silos on this base were manned 24/7 throughout the Cold War. What a door!
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm being careful. Good grief. It's very dark.
Yes, I will switch on the light.
How far down is this thing going?
45 meters.
You're mad. I'm beginning to feel just a little claustrophobic. So how many people would be down here underground at any one time?
As usual, 2 people. Officer number 1, officer number 2. In case of the emergency, 6. 3 down and 3 here.
You can see all the floors.
One floor below, reserve red button pushers lay in wait.
You don't know how a person behaves who receives a real signal.
Yeah.
What if he doesn't want to press the button? He knows that so many people will die.
Are some people afraid to go down?
Very often.
Yeah?
Very often. I had recently a group of 29 people, only 4 went down. The rest refused.
Really?
Sometimes people feel claustrophobic. Sometimes they are afraid. It happens.
That's scary stuff though, isn't it?
It's really scary.
We go to number 12.
Number 12. That's number 12.
Yes, the bottom.
That is where they sleep.
In case of the emergency, yes. Russian samovar. Why not a kettle? All Soviet kettles, they're all metal. Even the handle is metal. When you take it, it's hot. You can drop it. It can be a problem. In a samovar, you just turn and you have hot water. On the floor, heater. This yellow.
Fridge?
It's a device from a submarine. If you're blocked for 45 days, you don't need the air which comes from the outside. It's dangerous. You have a cassette, you put it inside, there is a chemical reaction, and you have technical oxygen to breathe for 45 days and nights. That's the radio, but under the radio you can open, there is a TV. Just pull it.
Pull
it.
this?
Yeah,
This?
yes.
Television. And a toilet. Oh my God.
Like in old railway carriages. And no shower.
And it's still all working.
Sure. And now we have to go up.
We have to go up.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to the control room?
Yes. Try to
Okay.
climb as high as you can so you will be able to step on the floor.
And all this technology is still operational 30 years later. Well, where's the red button then?
The button wasn't red.
What?
Red buttons are only in the movies.
You're very scary.
Ready? When I say pusk, push your button.
When you say Podilsk, are we going to do a countdown?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
You can see on the screen we are going to launch all 10.
Oh, 10?
Yes.
You're a maniac.
You can't cancel it now.
No, Moscow can
Oh,
them
no.
to different
Roofs
places.
of the silos open.
Stop them. Our task is just to press the button, and then Moscow controls where they go, which place they destroy. We don't